Growing up, it was always just me and my dad. I love going to his shop and watching him work on people's cars. My dad has always been my superhero. He taught me how to think through a problem, to never give up. As I got older, the problems got harder, like figuring out a path in life, a career, where to start, and how to pay for it all. I think starting is the hardest part of the journey, but Shasta College made it easy. There were definitely some long nights and classes that challenged me, but every step drew me closer to finding my path. Every teacher, circuit board, and equation, all of them prepared me to write the next chapter of my story. And now, my dad calls me his superhero.